Hello, I'm Matthew Clifford, and I am in computer science and software engineering, and this is basic commands in the Linux command line interface, and this is also on a virtual machine. So on the right, I have some basic commands, some basic file commands right here, and some basic user commands that I'll show. So we'll start with file commands. These are very basic uh, things, commands. Whoops, I gotta click in here. Okay, so ls will list any file in the directory that you're currently in. So these are, so yeah, okay, so this is my username, and then I have like desktop, downloads, picture screenshots, very basic files that you store stuff in, and then ls-a will showcase hidden files. I have no idea what any of these mean, but you can see some of these are the same. So it shows both. And then pwd will tell me where I'm at, like if I get lost or I just need to know which directory I'm in. I can see that I'm in home and then I'm in my username. And if I move up a directory, like here we'll go to documents. So now I'm in documents. And now I'm in home, my username, and then documents. cd ... will put me back. And then I can also use the up arrow to go back to any previous commands that I've used. So now I'm back in documents. And then if I do ls in documents, I have a hypothetical employee list, which it's a bunch of numbers representing like employees. So I can rename that file too. So that would be mv employee, and then you can use tab to automatically fill stuff in. And we can rename it to like new employee list, I guess. Yeah, I guess yeah, that works. So now it should be new employee list right here. So it was employee list, now it's new employee list. And then I can also open that file, which is xdg open, and then tab. So that opens the text editor, and I put all these numbers in here. So if I don't want to do that, you can also do it so that it will display it in the interface. So I can do, what is that? Yeah, nano, new, tab. So now I can see all of these employees, but it's not in the text editor. And then I can go back. And then if I want to see the last 10 lines, I can do tail, new employee list. And it shows me the last 10. So if I go up to here, yeah, it's the last 10. And then clear. And then we'll do that. And now I can show you some user commands. So these will show like stuff about my employees, groups I have, the employee names, and the first 4 are kind of cool. So ID, last, who, and W all kind of shows the same stuff. Last gives you definitely the most information, tells me who has logged in on here, what time and what date. So I can see it's mostly been me, and then I have some other users. Those are fake users, but these all pretty much do the same thing. And then I can do, so I'm gonna add a user. Well, actually, I'll show you my users that I have so far. Okay, so I have starts right here. I have my username, Batman, Moscow, Pizza, Mario, Zelda, and Yoshi. So I'm gonna delete these. Or I'll delete one of them and then I'll add a new one. So to delete a user, you can sudo user delete, and then we'll delete Mario. I think it's lowercase. And now he should be gone. Yeah, now he's gone. Okay, then if I want to add him back, you can do. Okay, let's see. Or hold on. Sudo user add Mario. Yeah, okay, now he's back. Okay, so we deleted one and we added one, and now you can also see I have 3 groups right here: admin, marketing, and research and development. So we're gonna make a new group, and we're gonna call that social media. So sudo boom. So now it should be. I think that did it. Yeah. No, it didn't. Hold on. I'm gonna figure this out really quick. Okay, so all I had to do, I can't add spaces, so that's what was wrong. But I did the exact same thing, and now it's right next to all of these. And then I want to add these 2 characters or employees into this group. So it should be sudo user mod dash a capital G, and then group name, social media, and then username be Yoshi. Hopefully that did it. So now we'll do this command to see usernames in that group. So yes, okay, it worked. So now I'm gonna really quickly add the other user to that group, and now I have these 2 users in that group, and then we're gonna put Mario in the marketing group. So first we'll see who's already in that group, and that's capital. Pizza, and then sudo user, or not social media, marketing, and then Mario, right? Yeah, Mario. Okay, and then group. Okay, now we have Pizza and Mario. So I can also delete Mario, or I can delete a user, which I've already done, and I can also sign out of a user, but I can't do that right now. But normally, if I was signed in right here with other users, and I type in this command right here, it'll sign me out, bring me back to the screen, and I can sign in to any user that I want. So that is basic commands in the Linux command line interface, and I should have more updated, hopefully more advanced commands. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.